You know, when I was in Rite Aid, it stinks. They didn't have, they had a whole bag for Easter, the lemon Kit Kats. They had the whole bag. Like, I didn't want to buy it. I don't know if I like them, so I didn't want to buy a whole bag of lemon Kit Kats. I'll wait to see if they have them, like, separate, and then I'll buy it. Because I don't want to buy a whole bag of it and then be stuck with it if I don't like it. Because I would try it, but I don't want a whole bag of it to try. I want to try the strawberry ones. Or other flavors. This was what I was eating last night. Got burn on my finger. Nice and creamy. And you find some good deals when I go shopping. Find some different things. You know, life again. I feel like I'm stuck. That one squish. I got mushy. Let me get some ice cream. I'm gonna go to the store. Ice cream right is expensive. Way expensive. I'll wait till I go to the store. These are not bad. Maybe I'll buy these ones of them too. They're not too bad. Oh, my poor hand. I burnt my hand. See? My poor thumb, my poor finger. Poor finger. Tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't know. Sometimes I like doing my resale and stuff, but I try to avoid certain things because it's so hard to sell certain things on my Facebook marketplace. So I try to avoid and buying it because you know, my finger hurts. The chocolate's good. Kind of hungry mood today. Maybe I'm getting better. So far, too peace and quiet. I haven't heard that one next door, thank goodness. You know what I mean? Might sleep. I'm happy I fell asleep last night. Take my medicine. Maybe that'll help me sleep. I took my sleeping pill and it worked last night. Sometimes it don't work. Well, I see my doctor psychiatrist coming up soon, the 12th. Deal with her. Baby's so cute. Well, bye everybody. I'm gonna relax. Sorry if my video's a little shorter today. Please forgive me. Just tired still. I finally at least got some sleep, so at least that was good. I needed that. I don't think I'm gonna bake anything. I'm not in the mood to bake today. I'm just trying to relax. If I feel like making another video, I will. And the address is down below in descriptions if anybody wants me to send anything for me to try, to taste or try, or any new ideas, or even coupons would be nice. Thank you. Bye.